The problems that were created at the intellectual level cannot be solved by using the some level of thinking. Albert Einstein. Hello, in this video we will introduce basic principles and basics of psychology. The main ones in psychology are neuropsychology, which focuses on biological influences on behaviors, and experience, which is based on the study of human observation and experiences in the past due to the lack of sufficient knowledge. Patients were treated like demons, so that their bodies were infiltrated by evil sprites. Therefore, psychology, which is not only a theoretical science, can be used as a practical tool to improve the quality of life and improve behaviors in cases such as communication with different people, stress management, performance improvement in job, etc. Well, the video is over. If you liked it, I will be happy if you like it and share it so that the next video will be released.